Well guys, I think I made an impulse buy. What's going on, everybody? It's Keith with the Tulsa Motor Club, and today we're checking out a welder. First, just a quick bit of backstory. As I've mentioned a number of times before, I've been needing to get my hands on a welder so that I can finish up a few little tasks on the SR frame. That way I can send it off to get powder coated. Thankfully, my friend John lent me his welder and I got done everything I was trying to get done. Fast forward to a future trip to Harbor Freight though, and well, I'm just a sucker for a good deal. This is the Flux Core 125 welder, which you can pick up at Harbor Freight anywhere from around $80 to $130, just depending on if there's a sale or if you have a coupon or something like that. And the really nice thing about this particular welder is that it comes with everything you need to get started. So let's quit wasting time and check it out. Upon opening the box, you'll find your welding mask, this combo brush / chipping hammer type of tool, a spool of flux core wire, some extra welding tips, and of course the instructions in this handy little diagram. Setting up the welder is pretty straightforward. It's honestly pretty much ready to go right out of the box. You just need to plug it in and then load in the flux core wire, and then you're all set. Typically with some new welders, you have to install the power plug, the grounding wire, and sometimes even the gun. But that's definitely not the case here. Everything's already hooked up. And now that it's all set up, let's go ahead and make a weld and just see how it looks. So my first weld is definitely not the best. However, the weld did hold and it cleaned up alright, but I definitely still have a lot more practice to do. But before that, let's take a closer look at these accessories. First up, the mask. It's nice that it comes in the box and it's there for you to use, but the lens is constantly dark, and while it does a great job of protecting your eyes, it makes it a little hard to see where you're welding. And the fact that it's handheld is another problem. I think both of those are just factors that can negatively impact your ability to make a good weld. You're going to be better off picking up an auto darkening helmet. I picked up this one on Amazon for around $30, and it's definitely worth it. Now my opinion on this combo brush hammer tool thing is pretty similar to that of the mask. It's nice that it comes in the box, and it is better than nothing. But if you're anything like me and you already have a shop, you probably already have a much better wire brush and a better hammer lying around. And if you don't, you can pick up both of those things for a pretty affordable price. Now I understand that this welder is not going to be the best option for anything super structural like motorcycle framework or anything like that, but it does plug into a normal house outlet, which is good for me, because in my garage, I don't have anything different than that. But I not only think this thing's going to be good for practice use, it'll also be good for all those smaller little tasks that I have in my builds, like building a license plate bracket or something along those lines. Plus, it was super affordable, so if it breaks down after a handful of uses, well, I can't really be too mad. But this is all just my first impressions of the machine, and I'm sure that my opinion will change the more time that I get to put in using it. But like I said, I need to get a lot more practice. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you have your own opinion on this welder, or you have any questions, comments, or just want to say what's up, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Also, here are some other videos you can check out, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. That way you don't miss any of my future uploads. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.